and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governors Cup. Right here at the Venetia Sports Civic Center, San Pangasinan. This is match number 62 of Volleyball Men's Division Central Conference to be played between your team, the municipality of San Jacinto, and your team, the municipality of Manaoag. The national referees for this match. Our first referee, Richard Dulatre. Our second referee, Alvin Oxan. Players, coaches, and technical officials. Best of luck and keep the ball flying.
Welcome to the Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Central Pangasinan Men's Division. First to serve, San Jacinto, jersey number 4, Villegas. Good serve, drop. Points for San Jacinto. Ay, that is outside. Point for Manaoag pala. Manaoag jersey number 9. Nice serve. To the middle. Oh, nice drop. Point for San Jacinto. All one. Serving San Jacinto jersey number 5. Nice serve. Over. Up. A lifting violation. Ayun, tinatawag ni first referee si Captain. Catch and throw. Okay, yun manawag. Jersey number 10 to serve. Oh, service error.
Point for San Jacinto. We are tied at 2.
Deadlock 2. Jersey number 12 to serve, Season. Nice service, pero outside. Masyadong malakas. Player number 16, now serving. Nice serve. Papalo. Up, there's a net. Point for San Jacinto. Serving jersey number 10, the captain ball. Up. Point for San Jacinto. Official score 4-3 in favor of San Jacinto. Still serving pa rin the captain ball. Nice serve. Dug up. Set. Oh, na-opposite. Free ball. Oh, the open. Oh! Cover. Buhay ang bola. Long rally. Oh! Ball is out. Point for San Jacinto. Drop. Oh, buhay ang bola. Setter to the middle. Bang! Oh my God. The captain is continues to serve. Nice serve. Nice read. Set to the middle. Oh! Oh, what a quick by Manaoag. Jersey number 11 to serve. Nice serve. To the open. Oh. Buhay. Drop. Sa likod. Set to the middle. Oh! Miscommunication. Oh, Five serving six by Manaoag. High service, libero to the setter to the oh! Through the black pero outside. San Jacinto jersey number 11. Serving. Nice serve. Chance ball. Libero to the setter to the open. Buhay. Set. Oh, what a drop sa outside pero wala kay labanan. Outside drop. Still serving jersey number 11. So, ang standing ng San Jacinto ay 0-8 and then sa Manaoag naman ay 0-7. Wala pang panalo ang both teams. Kaya kung sino man ang mananalo dito, siya ang jersey number 17 serving. Nice serve. To the open. Bounded attack. Nanggigil. Si Villegas sa last attack niya kaya sub. Okay, welcome to the game, jersey number 9. Serving jersey number 7. Oh, service error. Point for San Jacinto. Score is 9-8. Jersey number 19 to serving. Nice serve. Opposite. Oh, block. Nice block. Jersey number 19 serving. Super power. Pakalakas ng serving ni jersey number 19. Dikit po ang laban. Nice serve. Open. Oh, nice. Elevation, nasa ibabaw. Pumalo siya sa ibabaw.
Oh, there was a net touch on the side of San Jacinto, and the captain of San Jacinto will contest this, but the first referee asserts that the call sticks. It's a point for Manaoag. 1-2 for jersey number 5, Umayaw, setter of San Jacinto. So yes, as mentioned earlier, both teams are looking forward to taking its first win in this elimination round. So itong dalawang kuponan na to ay magkapit-bahay lamang. After San Jacinto ay susunod ang Manaoag. Both parts of or members of the 4th District of Pangasinan. So they have both of them have 3 points so far. And in this match number 62, one of them will get its first win. Oh, and now saying that, nagpakawalan ng hammer itong si Gamboa ng San Jacinto. Kaya naman, mapapatawag ng timeout ang Manaoag. And from where I am, we can see the coach of San Jacinto reminding his boys, his men, of their system. While sa Manaoag, the coach just allowed the boys, the men, to talk things over among themselves. Lalamang ng 4 ang San Jacinto dito. And serving is the setter. Received. Set to the open. Drop. Huli. Libero setting up Gamboa. Ayaw niya yun. Chance for Manaoag. Sa gitna. And the receive. The dig. Was there, but lumabas yung bola. Outside. To the captain. And San Jacinto continues to score here. Zanday is back. Season now serving. The middle of San Jacinto. That was a simple hit for Manaoag, but couldn't execute it properly. Season. Received. To the open. That was a miscue. The setter was saying kuha, 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 but nobody picked it up. So a point for Manaoag. A good serve, short. To the opposite. And Manaoag announcing his presence. The team captain serving. Right pin through the block. unfazed by the two blockers in front of him. And now he's serving the ball. 11.